Trust is being 10,000 feet in the air without any fear. It's the feeling of going home with no worries. It's opening up to the touch of hope and faith. It is a sense of reliability for a better tomorrow. These are the qualities Makino hold dear for over 80 years. Inherited from a machine shop in Tokyo, founded by Tsunezo Makino in the 1930s. With multiple breakthroughs, we've developed into one of the most advanced machining centers globally. Driven further to the Americas, Europe, and finally for over 40 years in Asia. Through our technology-oriented development, we foster a connection between us and the world, providing the solutions of tomorrow up to this day. It is imprinted in us, which is why we have always believed in quality first. It's a promise to our customers. And in order to fulfill that promise, we are always progressing forward into the future with the highest degree of precision and efficiency through our interconnection of smart machines. It's proudly embedded in our people's DNA to enhance the quality of our work, further delivering dependable results. With accuracy to detail comes pride and dedication carried throughout our work. We venture beyond, offering our customers integrated end-to-end solutions, but quality service and support as well. It doesn't stop there. We continuously innovate and upgrade ourselves because we believe that our greatest asset is our people. With this formula practiced between 1,500 employees in Asia region, among 500 of us are dedicated to quality service across over 40 countries. We are constantly pushing boundaries, exploring technology through innovative ways, leading the industry to greater heights. But what propels all of this forward? It's passion built from consistency, carried through the years to develop next-generation technology for the future. To always deliver quality first. Makino Asia.